Mercedes-Benz has officially revealed the all-new 2026 GLB, and while the overall shape remains familiar, this latest generation takes a bold leap into a fully electric future. Serving as the successor to the discontinued EQB, the new GLB arrives first as an EV-only model, with hybrid variants scheduled to join the lineup later. Offered in both 5-seat and 7-seat configurations, the SUV marks Mercedes' latest move in redefining its compact luxury segment with cutting-edge technology and updated performance. Two EV versions will launch the new GLB lineup. The entry option, known as the GLB 250 Plus with EQ technology, features an 85 kilowatt-hour battery and an 800-volt electrical architecture, showcasing Mercedes' emphasis on efficiency and fast charging capability. Power comes from a rear-mounted electric motor producing 268 horsepower and 247 pound-feet of torque. This allows the SUV to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 7.4 seconds. Perhaps more impressive is the estimated driving range, up to 392 miles per charge, positioning the GLB 250 Plus as one of the longest-range EVs in its segment. For buyers seeking more performance and all-wheel drive capability, Mercedes offers the GLB 350 4MATIC with EQ technology. Although it shares the same battery pack, it adds a second electric motor to power the front axle, delivering a combined 349 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque. This added muscle lowers the 0 to 62 miles per hour time to 5.5 seconds, while still maintaining a strong 382-mile range. Both versions aim to provide a premium EV driving experience while maintaining practicality for families and commuters. Mercedes has also confirmed that an entry-level electric model will arrive next year, giving buyers a more affordable path into its EV lineup. Following that launch, hybrid variants will join the range, equipped with 48-volt systems and offered in 3 power levels across front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive options. This approach aligns with Mercedes' broader strategy to offer both electrified and hybrid options as global markets evolve. Design-wise, the 2026 GLB adopts the latest Mercedes styling cues seen in the CLA and GLC. The front fascia is dominated by a large grille framed by new headlights featuring star-shaped daytime running lights and an illuminated light bar. The blocky silhouette remains recognizable, but the details modernize the look significantly. The rear introduces a striking update, with vertical tail lights connected by a thin LED strip echoing the aerodynamic Vision EQ-XX concept. These star-pattern lighting elements create a visual signature unique to the new GLB. The interior sees an even bigger transformation. The SUV can be optioned with the Mercedes Superscreen, a triple display setup that includes a 10.25-inch instrument cluster, a 14-inch center touchscreen, and a 14-inch passenger display. These screens run on the Mercedes 4th-generation MBUX system, integrating Microsoft and Google AI support. Built on the Unity engine, the interface offers smoother animations, improved personalization, and the new MBUX virtual assistant powered by ChatGPT 4o. The dashboard itself is notably flat and minimalist, continuing Mercedes' move toward a sleek and futuristic cabin environments. Pricing has only been confirmed for Germany. The GLB 250 Plus with EQ technology starts at €59,048, or roughly $68,700, while the more powerful GLB 350 4MATIC with EQ technology begins at €62,178, or approximately $72,400. Pricing for other markets will follow closer to launch, but early indicators place the new GLB firmly within the luxury EV crossover segment. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLB aims to bridge the gap between practicality and high-tech innovation, offering families and tech enthusiasts a futuristic EV SUV packed with advanced features. With EV performance, expanded driving range, and Mercedes' most ambitious digital interface to date, the new GLB sets the stage for what could become one of Mercedes' most important compact vehicles moving forward.